Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this gradient using the Holo Taco x Julian collection. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. The first three colors that I'm going to be using today on the individual nails as well as the gradient are from the Holo Taco x Julian collection, which I did receive as PR. We have Greyt, this metallic gunmetal, then I'm Live as a purple cream, and Bep Bep Blue, which is like a light cornflower shade. And then I'm going to be topping all of those with the classic Linear Holo. I've got my sponge ready, and the side that I'm going to be using is about the same length as my nail. I'm going to load the sponge with the purple in the middle, surrounded on either side by the blue and the gunmetal. And I'm going to have a fairly light hand with the gunmetal so that hopefully does not overwhelm the gradient. Once I've got it all applied to the sponge, I'm going to start dabbing it on my nails. Once I finish the gradient, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges, and I'll also neaten up any of the single color nails that need a little bit of cleanup. Finally, once I'm all done and have the topper applied, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I initially had a different idea of what I wanted to do with this collection, but after some testing, it wasn't really working out and we kind of changed directions. And I can't be mad about the change considering how much I really love this. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time since we have the Linear Taco on there. And if you would like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.